Live from Ultimate Sports Cards, Las Vegas, doing a live box break, 5-star football. Go for it. Do the honors, sir. With surgical precision.
Of course, do it the ugly way.
Hey, gets the job done. And we got checklist in a box. Base cards on top. Oh, that's nice, Jim Brown.
Oh, that's
All
nice.
right, just yeah. All right, Jim Brown base. We got Marion Barber base. Is round number 7. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Wow.
First hit, Sam Bradford. Do 100 autograph. Hell yeah.
Nice.
All right.
So now it's going to be a Tebow underneath it.
I see. Jimmy Clausen 2-color patch autograph. Okay, 1 of 20. Hold on.
Wow.
Let me get the light on that. That's nice for Clausen at least. No cheating.
Bottom of base card on these? Oh.
Oh.
Is that Lewis? Oh.
Whoa.
Ray, no, it's Ray Rice, but that's still
That's all
badass.
still badass.
4 of 10. That's your inscriptions. Oh dang, man, this is a solid box.
Nice.
Yeah, those inscriptions are real nice.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yes, letter Deshaun Jackson 1 of 1.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
this is a
God.
freaking phenomenal box. You kidding me?
Oh, geez.
And Clausen, that's a book,
Oh, it's a
dude.
book,
That is a book.
Wow.
Yes, it is.
All right, go to the bottom card first. Let's get that
Okay.
out of the way.
That's a base card.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Get out of the way. Urlacher.
Erlacher
All right,
base card.
All right. Hold on, let me get the right light on it. 5-star, fold out Jimmy Clausen.
Oh, look at that.
1525. You got quad patch auto with part of the
Back
Panther
of the
Whiskers
yeah.
logo.
Alright.
Jeez.
Solid.
Holy shit, man. That is awesome.
Solid.
Hey, man, there's kids watching.
Get your money's worth.
Okay,
Wow.
Clausen.
Oh, yes.
There's your base. And, wow. That's got to be, I mean, one of the best boxes I've seen. I mean,
Wow.
there you go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Ultimate Sports Cards.